an operation conducted by Ribhoi District Police under the overall command of SP Sri Giri Prasad, and in the whole operation nearly 16 people they have taken part. Out of 16, 13 belong to Ribhoi districts and 3 from the East Khasi Hill districts. 16, 1 additional SP, 2 DSP, 3 sub-inspector, 1 lance naik and 9 constable. All these 16 people were part of our operational team who successfully conducted operation on the basis of an input, and we have so far we have arrested 5 people, namely Abu Bakr from Barpeta district of Assam, Aziz Lingdo from Dhobi Ghat Laban of Shillong, Sahanja again of Barpeta Assam, and one lady Subalin Kharbani from Mawlai district of Shillong, and one Mohammad Sadiq Ali again of Barpeta of Assam. And the operation started on long back on 24th June, and yesterday only successfully operation was concluded after the arrest of Mohammad Sadiq Ali, the last accused wanted in this case. So we have seized 7 number of biscuits, gold biscuits, each biscuit weighing 117 gram. So total weight is 819 gram, and this is a 24 karat pure gold. And the market cost of these biscuits as on today is approximately 50 lakh rupees. On the basis of the interrogation statement of Abu Bakr, we have conducted multiple raids in the various locations of Meghalaya as well as Assam, and we were able to apprehend one Shanjha from Barpeta districts, and we have recovered total 27 lakh rupees and 11,480 cash. In cash, we have also seized 4 ATM cards, 3 identity cards, and 10 numbers of mobile phones. So after the CDR analysis, we found that the interstate gang is operating to smuggle gold from Bangladesh to Meghalaya, and from Meghalaya to Guwahati, and from Guwahati to Siliguri, and then other parts of India. So far we have arrested total 5 people, and we unearthed the nexus between the Assam as well as the Meghalaya criminals. As we all know, the Bangladesh is not the original producer of gold. This gold is smuggled from UAE, illegally taken to Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh to India. Why? Because rates of gold of 1 gram in UAE is 4,410 rupees, and when it reaches Bangladesh, it becomes 4,600. So margin is about 190 rupees in 1 gram of gold. And when it is taken to India, then the rate further increases to 5,121 rupees per gram. So approximately margin is 581 rupees in 1 gram. So you can very well understand the dynamics of the economy here and the illegal money generated. And also we were surprised to know during interrogations that these 5 number of accused, earlier they were indulged in drug trafficking and fake currency racket also. After collecting information from the Assam police, we found their involvement in drug trafficking, and when the Assam police has arrested many drug traffickers and seized large number of contrabands, after that they decided to switch over to gold smuggling business. And their intention was to lure the youth of Shillong, both boys and girls, for illegal activities, particularly the drug trafficking and the gold smuggling. Their target was to convert nearly 4,000 youths from Shillong alone to take them into the illegal business of gold smuggling and also the drug trafficking. This we came to know from the documents recovered from the accused. So this is in brief about the case. 1 or 2 more names have come up yesterday night only. Our operation is on to nab those two accused. They are not in Meghalaya. They may not be in Assam also. They may be in other states. So our hunt is on for those accused who have escaped from the police dragnet. Thank you very much. It's coordinating the gold flow from Bangladesh to India, particularly Northeast India, West Bengal, Assam, and all other northeastern states. The exact identity of Kingpin was not disclosed by the accused person so far, because they have given us certain linkages, certain nickname only. So the moment our team will zeroing on, then we will be able to disclose further about it.
Bigger picture is there.
And definitely there will be some bigger pictures, and there may be some interstate gangs are involved, and international gang cannot be ruled out here, because Bangladesh, generally Bangladesh gold is not produced. It's coming either from UAE legally or illegally, whatever it is. Because of margin they are doing it. So some of the accused are definitely coordinating with these accused from Bangladesh soil. So we can say that the interstate as well as international aspect is there in this angle. Thank you.
Now,